Good evening, Jay. Good evening, everyone. Sorry, there are a lot of new people here also. So good evening to all of you and welcome to Mo TV. And wonderful to have you all. And today we have very special guests from Scottish High International School. So really very happy to have all of them. And this is going to be a very, very different session. It is, now I will also have to request all of you to please mute yourselves. Okay. Because I can hear a dog barking. I can hear people making tea. So yes, thank you so much. Please do look at your mics and please mute yourselves. Okay, let me help you all with that. All right, so I've muted everyone. Anybody can open up as and when they desire, but as of now, everyone is on mute. Please do not unmute yourselves until and unless you want to say something to us here. So as I was mentioning, today is a very, very special session on Mo TV. We have these young little champs who have joined us today. So to talk about the topic, I'm going to begin immediately so that we give them enough time and we can spend some quality time with all of them. So as you all know, today the topic is stress and de-stress. And you all know, starting from children to youngsters to middle-aged to the elderly, everybody is going through some form of stress, and we all want to de-stress, and we all have our own ways to do it. So stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. And in short bursts, stress can be positive, such as when it helps you to avoid danger or meet a deadline, which all of us are doing all the time practically, trying to meet a deadline. So stress is a normal human reaction that happens to everyone. In fact, the human body is designed to experience stress and react to it. So when you experience changes or challenges, your body produces physical and mental responses, and that's called stress. It's very important for one to de-stress every once in a while, to release the bodily or the mental tension and unwind. We need to stay positive, laugh, meditate, exercise, and unplug ourselves. And to do this, we can probably just cut the cord, avoid emails, the news, but it is still impossible to escape total stress because it generally follows you everywhere. So today we have with us 4 little champions who popularly call themselves as no tension teammates. And they all are from Scottish High International School, Gurgaon, and who have mastered the art of de-stressing at a very tender age. So before I begin, I would just like to give a small brief on the Scottish High School, which has nurtured such talent in such young children. So commissioned in the year 2004, Scottish High International School, Gurgaon is the most sought after destination for students from all across the country and the globe, drawn together with different academic aspirations and dreams. With a distinguished track record in mainstream education and with great success stories, it is one of the top institutions in the country that has emerged as the leading contributor to nation building. Its unique vision and signature ideas have contributed significantly to providing an effective flight plan for its students to achieve their educational goals and evolve further with their unrestricted and unconventional school of thought. Scottish High is one of the only schools having the SEN, that is the Special Educational Needs Department, which caters to children with special needs, learning disability, having developmental delays, intellectual, physical, and hearing impairment. Depending on the degree of impairment, the child is integrated into the mainstream school curriculum with the support of a highly experienced team of professionals of the Department of Integrated Studies. The school's motto, which says, Interrogo, Percepio, Aditio, which when translated from Latin to English reads, question, understand, and apply. The motto is befitting the curriculum and mission of the school, which endeavors to build strong foundations of the mind, body, and spirit by way of seeking, analyzing, and practicing knowledge in all facets of life for every student. The primary years program nurtures the curiosity of young minds developing their skills for inquiry and research. And this helps the children in the primary years at Scottish High, and they're known as the Young Highlanders, to learn independently and with others with enthusiasm. Students become apt at researching into what they're curious about. They brainstorm their research and understanding collaboratively in their groups. So guided by the mentors in the process of inquiry and collaboration, they reach an enduring understanding of the concepts. Students are free to voice their opinion, have a choice, and exhibit ownership of the task they undertake. Ignited minds are the young Highlanders as they get curious to know more and more about things and happenings around them, becoming open-minded and seeing the world as one big family. And you will see all this in these young little champs I will be introducing very, very shortly. We have with us the esteemed principal, the primary school principal here, Mrs. Seema Bhati, whom I will now just be requesting to say a few words to all of you before I hand over to the little champs. And along with Seema Bhati ji, we also have Mrs. Sunita Bhatt, who's their class teacher, who has been their class teacher when these little champs were in grade 5 and now they're moving on to grade 6. But she's the one who's been mentoring them till now. So just to say a few lines about Mrs. Seema Bhati, though she has told me not to say it, but even then, there are just few things, just a few lines that I would like to say here. So she's an ideal blend of brilliance, leadership, and intellectual accomplishments. Ms. Seema is the alumna of Sophia School, Ajmer, a passionate educationist. She has been actively involved in primary curriculum development and training the primary teachers for the primary years program, that is the PYP. She works for IB as a school visiting team leader and consulted for schools new to IB PYP and has attended various seminars and received extensive training at various IB conducted workshops in India and abroad. Ms. Bhati has vast experience of training the trainers as she believes in empowering the educators with the right type of teaching tools required to enhance their skills and expertise in teaching. As a pedagogical leader, she interacts with educators across the globe to understand and introduce latest concepts and ideologies on subjects and issues of curriculum development and planning. So Ms. Bhati, very happy to have you here. And thank you so much for letting these children come here and interact with our elders who are literally our family members of Emoha. And
my pleasure.
I know
my pleasure.
A lot of effort has gone into, making them what they are. And kudos to all of you and the school for making them do what they are doing and having them here with us. So over to you, if you can just say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Well, like I have been introduced, I'm Seema Bhati. I'm the primary school principal of Scottish High International School. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Ritu for inviting our students to share their thoughts on the topic, which is very close to their hearts. I would also like to extend a special and a very big thank you to Mr. Roy, Kenisha's dad, for organizing this session. At Scottish High, we try to inculcate respect for senior citizens. Therefore, we were very pleased to get this opportunity to be able to meet all the members of Emoha. Today, I have some of my teachers here. We are honored to meet everyone. And on my request, we have another senior citizen here today, one of our teachers' father-in-law, Mr. Bhalla. He's also joined, so I'm very, very happy. Now about the 4 children, Kenisha, Yashvardhan, Advita, and Nalin. I think they deserve a big round of applause even before they start their presentation that will de-stress everyone. So come on, people, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. And another round of applause for their HRT, Miss Sunita. Um, I'm sure she's just wanting the whole thing to start. So I think, Miss Sunita, over to you, and we can start. I'm sure everybody is waiting for this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yes, Ritu. Yes. Can go.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ms. Bharti, for being here and letting the children come here. And kudos, like I mentioned earlier, kudos to both of you. And we're really, really looking forward to this session with these no tension teammates. And I'm going to introduce them shortly, but Sunita ji, over to you.
Thank you, Ritu. And it's been a real pleasure to be here amongst, and yes, as Seema ma'am said just now, that our children respect, and they're really happy to perform in front of all the elders and to see them happy. The best thing, they want to see all of you happy, and I hope we end up with happiness today. Thank you. Yes, Ritu. Okay, Ritu. Hello, Ritu.
Yes. Just 1 second.
Okay. So the children are really waiting. They are really enthusiastically waiting for us to start.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sunita ji. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I know you all have been waiting for this. So let me bring to you these 4 little champs, and I'm just going to tell you, in brief about them, and then they are going to introduce themselves. And after that, they will be doing their presentation, which they had prepared last year. In fact, we wanted to have this session about a month back, but then due to the exams and all, we got a little delayed. And now they've just finished over the exams and they're here for all of us. So to tell you about these 4 little champs, so we have with us Kanisha Kaur Roy, Yashvardhan, Advita Mishra, and Nalin Chandra. So a few lines about all of them. So Kanisha Kaur Roy, she loves to sing, a trait inherited from her Nani and Didar. That's what she has written. She loves to dance and skate. She's also learning keyboard and Kathak. And she has lots of fun playing online games with friends, reading books, playing board games with her family, and teaching Kathak to her Nanaji. So coming to Yashvardhan, he is 11 years old. He loves to play basketball. He plays the guitar, is into skating, and he loves to play the video games. And his aim in life is to become a scientist. And we have Advita. She's very enthusiastic about things. Though she has been diagnosed with appendicitis and with surgery lined up for the weekend, but it's only her enthusiasm that has got her here to perform for all of us. So thank you so much, Advita, and thank you to her parents. And I think the grit that she's shown is absolutely amazing. And she also loves to read books, play the piano, sing and dance, and is learning singing also, and plays the keyboard, learning to play keyboard from her Nanima. And coming to Nalin, Nalin is just 10 years old and he enjoys reading books, music, swimming, wakeboarding, and interacting with his friends and family. So this was a very short introduction to all of them. And now I'm going to just hand over to these young children to take us forward in this presentation. So welcome to all of you, No Tension teammates. And really, really happy to have you all here. So I'm going to put you all in the spotlight. Okay, here we have Advita. Advita, would you like to introduce yourself and say a few lines by the time I get your other friends?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my name is Advita. I'm 10 years old. I like to sing, play keyboard, read books, also play games with my family, and also spend time with them.
Okay, Kanisha?
Yes, ma'am. So my name is Kanisha and I like to sing, dance and skate. I also like to read books and play board games with my family.
Great, wonderful. Nalin, over to you.
My name is Nalin. I'm 11 years old. I like to do wakeboarding. I also like to read books and do swimming.
Great. So, and Yashvardhan, you've also been spotlighted.
So my name is Yashvardhan. I'm 11 years old and I like to play basketball and I like to play guitar and like to skate and play video games.
So wonderful. So ladies and gentlemen, here we have the No Tension teammates. So really, really wonderful to have you all here, Advita, Kanisha, Nalin and Yashvardhan. And I know you all are looking a little stressed, wondering how to go about it, but I know you all have been doing a wonderful job about it. Your teachers are extremely proud of you. And whenever I've spoken to Sunita ji, she is in awe of the fact that being so young, you've managed to do what you are doing. So I'm going to now leave you all to it and you can show your presentation. I have allowed the screen share, so anybody who would like to share can do so.
Thank you, Ms. Ritu. Good evening, respected guests, Seema ma'am. We are the students of Scottish High International School and we would like you to welcome you to today's session on stress and de-stress. The presentation we are about to share with you had been created for the PYP exhibition in our school.
The primary years program, or PYP as we call it, is a culmination of all that we have learned in our primary years at school from grade 1 to 5, which is the topic, carry out an in-depth inquiry and research into it, identify possible solutions to real-life issues and problems. Our team chose the topic stress.
But before beginning our work, we agreed to collaborate, be open to each other's views, and have a positive and energetic approach to every task in order to achieve best results.
So my name is Kanisha.
Hi, I'm Nalin.
I'm Advita.
Hi, my name is Yashvardhan.
And we call ourselves the No Tension teammates.
These days, everyone feels stressed. You're stressed because you got low marks or a scolding or had a fight with a friend. And all our parents are always worried about corona or their jobs or some health issues.
So first, let us understand a bit more about what is stress, types of stress, various stress triggers, the effect stress has on your body, before finally learning about the ways to de-stress. Okay, so buckle up your seatbelts. For now, I shall take you to the journey of stress and de-stress. We are the No Tension teammates who would like to tell you, don't stress, be your best. Here are all of us and our passions. This is me, and my passion is to sing and skate. What is stress? Stress is the body's reaction to any change that requires you to adjust. The term stress was coined by Hans Sale. You can experience stress from anywhere, be it your environment or your body, or even your own thoughts. Now, although stress can sound like a really negative thing, you also have a good type of stress called eustress, and of course, the harmful type called distress. So eustress is this positive type of stress which helps increase our performance. So if you have some test or competition coming up, you'll be stressed. But this helps you work harder and achieve your goal. Then you have acute stress. Acute stress is usually there for a small period of time and is a very common type of stress. Then we have episodic stress. Episodic stress is there for a longer period of time and can be caused by having too many responsibilities to take care of. Finally, you have chronic stress. Chronic stress is the most harmful type of stress and can really damage both your physical and mental health. So it can be caused by things like long-term poverty or homelessness or being unhappy with your job or marriage. Now, just to summarize, you have positive stress, which is a good type of stress and helps increase your performance. Then you have tolerable stress, which is a bit more severe and people can have it from time to time. And then you have toxic stress, which can really have many ill effects on both your mind and body. Now, what are the causes of stress? There are so many causes of stress. And as you can see in this picture, adults and children have different causes of stress. So adults will be stressed about things like work-related issues or relationship challenges or financial issues, whereas children will be stressed about how they're looking or if someone is bullying them at school or if there's some family problem at home. What is stress connected to? Well, as you can clearly identify in this big picture, stress is connected to almost every single organ in your body. So you have some short-term effects and some long-term effects. So short-term effects will be things like feeling a bit worried or nervous, having minor headaches, or having stomach pains, whereas long-term effects will be having bad migraines, high BP, insomnia, and panic attacks. How has our understanding of stress changed? Have we learned anything new? So we have learned that more people are experiencing stress today than earlier in the 1990s. We've also learned that it is not only adults and our grandparents who experience stress, but it is also children and teenagers who go through stress. So as you can see in this graph, children, the causes of stress differ by generation. So our generation would be stressed about family issues or things like this event. There's our parents who would be stressed about money or work or relationships. And our grandparents would be stressed about the economy or health problems affecting both family or self.
Famous celebrities who went through stress. First is Deepika Padukone. At an event in New Delhi in 2017, she had gone through stress, and when her family came to visit her, she said that everything was fine. But when her mother asked her again, she still said everything was fine, even though everything was not. So her mother asked her again and again and again. All she said was everything was fine, but she was choking herself on that everything was not. And so, like this, you need to know that you should spread awareness about stress and also admit it that you're stressed so that you feel lighter and better. She survived the situation because of her friends and family who supported her immensely. Next is Hrithik Roshan. He is someone who has admitted to that he is suffering from depression and stress. He even came out and spoke to the hashtag Everyday Heroes campaign, spreading awareness that stress should not be taken lightly and stress should not be taken lightly. Stress can cause you much harm if taken lightly. And you should also spread mental awareness that stress should not be taken lightly.
Now I'm going to tell you some of the personalities who overcome stress. First is Mr. Michael Phelps. He is an American swimmer. He had fought stress for the past 17 years. Still, he fought stress and he is a great swimmer. Second is Mr. Mardy Fish. He is an American tennis player. He also had stress, panic attacks, sleepless nights. Still, he fought stress, he overcome stress, and he is also a very good tennis player.
Thank you, my Note NCL teammates. Wow, I'm sure you all will agree that was a lot of useful information to understand stress. But worry not. For now, we will share you different ways to de-stress and enjoy life.
Now that we have learned about what is stress, the different types of stress, causes of stress, and more about it, let us learn about the ways to de-stress. There are many ways of de-stressing. You can take up a hobby or spend time with your friends and family. You can sing and dance or organize your day. And as you can see in this graph, different generations manage stress differently. So how I would manage my stress would be different from how my parents would deal with their stress or how my grandparents would deal with their stress. So our generation would manage stress by listening to music or spending time with friends and family, whereas our parents might prefer exercising or walking or reading a book, and some even like to eat and de-stress. Then our grandparents might de-stress by exercising or walking again, or going to the church and temple and clearing their mind over there. So now my friend Advita will demonstrate a few breathing exercises.
I'm going to show you exercise which will you do. It will surely make you de-stress. It is called Anulom Vilom. You place your thumb on one nostril and your ring finger on the other nostril. You inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you do this exercise, it will surely make you de-stress.
Thank you, Advita. Connecting stress to my passion. So my passion is to sing and skate. Skating is a very fun sport which has multiple health benefits. It helps you make new bonds and increases your self-esteem. But most importantly, it is a great stress buster. When you skate, your body releases some hormones. These hormones are called endorphins. So endorphins are the hormones that interact with your brain, and then your brain produces positive feelings that go throughout your body. Next, we have singing. So I'm sure there are many great singers here in the audience, and I myself love to sing. And I know that both my Nani and Dida love singing and are great at doing it. So it has many health benefits. It helps you make new friendships. It increases your confidence and you become more open-minded. As when you listen to different genres of songs, you learn to appreciate cultural diversity. So it is also a great stress reliever as singing releases endorphins, which makes you feel very happy and energized. So now, let me show you my way of de-stressing. Okay, so I hope everyone can hear this. Everyone can do this with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No sound.
There is, Kanisha, we can hear.
We can hear you, Kanisha. We can hear you.
Okay. So I'll just skip the background music as it might cause problems. Alright.
It's okay.
So I'll be singing if you're happy and you know. Okay. So I'll be singing if you're happy and you know it. It's a very simple song and everyone can do it with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, then your face will really show. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will really show it. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah. Thank you.
Very sweet. Well done. Thank you. Excellent.
Very sweet. Well done. Well done.
Well done.
Acha.
Very well done.
Thank you.
So sweet.
Very good. Very good.
Very nice. Go ahead.
Very nice. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Come on.
Seeing you all, everybody's.
You made us little children
everybody's
by singing this.
Yes. Was remembering the time when we used to do, and I think we must do it even now.
Yeah, we used
It's
to
not
do
too
it.
Yes, we need to follow Kanisha.
Yeah. That was
Kanisha,
the
we can
first-
have it one more time and then everybody can clamp and stomp with you.
Oh yeah, it is so nice.
Yes, so
Just
before we end, we are going to do that.
Yeah, right.
Sure.
Okay.
Beautiful song, Kanisha. I think our audience enjoyed it. Now it's time for how I de-stress. My passion is swimming. Swimming has many benefits, such as it helps the world in diseases such as asthma. It also has many strokes such as front stroke, backstroke, frog kick, butterfly. Its main benefit is that it works your body out head to toe, and it is also the way I relieve my stress. So, if you want to work out, just go swim for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Over to Yashwardhan.
Like Nalin, even I am a sports person. My passion is to play basketball. The game of basketball was created by Mr. James in December 1891. Basketball is a game of two teams. Each team have to score a basket with a ball. There are 12 or 13 people in each team. Now it's time to show you some ways to de-stress and enjoy life with basketball. So I will show you some exercises with basketball. The first one you can do like dribbling. And you can keep the ball in the front and like this. Left, right, left, right, and like this. Up, down, up, down, and front, back, front, back. And the last exercise is over to Kenisha.
Wonderful.
So as my friend Ida is not feeling very well, on her behalf, I will demonstrate how her passion, which is reading, helps you to de-stress and feel more calm. So I will be reading out a story. I think there's some problem. Yes. Okay. So I think everyone can see this, right? Wait a bit.
Yes. It's
okay, so
yes.
On a hot, sunny afternoon, there was a goat who was feeling very tired and so decided to rest under this tree. So it was sleeping. When suddenly, something fell on its head. So the goat woke up and it said, "Ah, who's there? What's happening?" So the goat searched everywhere, but the goat couldn't find anyone nearby. Then the goat suddenly realized, "Oh no, the sky is falling on my head. The sky is falling." So the goat decides to run and immediately inform other animals. The goat runs and runs and runs and runs. When the goat finds his friend, the zebra. The zebra was very peacefully just walking around, enjoying the sunny day, when he sees the goat. And he's like, "Whoa, what happened? Why are you running?" The goat says, "Ah, the sky is falling. We must run. Come on, let's go." So they all start running. So the goat and the zebra run to inform other animals. So they're running and running together. Then they meet their friend, the cow. So the cow was also enjoying the sunny day, and then he sees both of them running. He says, "Oh, why are you running? What is wrong?" So the zebra says, "Come on, quick. We need to inform there's no time to waste. The sky is falling. Let's run." Oh. So all of them, the goat, the zebra, and the cow, run to inform other animals. So they're all running and running when they meet the horse. So the horse says, "Nah, what happened? Why are you running? Is there something behind you that you're running from?" "Oh, no, the sky is falling. We must run. Quick, let's go." So the horse says, "Okay, I'll come along." So now all of them, the goat, the zebra, the cow, they're all running and running and running. Then they meet the elephant. The elephant says, "Fa, fa, 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 fa." So he asks them, "What is wrong? Why are you acting like this?" So the horse says, "Quick, let's run. The sky is falling on our heads. We need to tell the others before they get hurt." "Okay, let's go." So now the goat, the zebra, the cow, and the horse and the elephant, they're all running to inform other animals. So they're running and running and running. Then they meet the rhino. The rhino says, "Whoa, what's wrong? Is this a game? Can I also play? It seems so fun." The elephant says, "No, this is not a game. Quick, run, the sky is falling on our heads." So the rhino says, "What? I didn't know that." So all of them run and run and run. But then they suddenly stop. Why did they stop? Because they saw the leopard. So everyone here was scared of the leopard. So they stopped. Then the leopard said, Well. It seems like I won't have to hunt for lunch and dinner for the next 2 days. But anyway, why are you running?" So the rhino says, Well, the sky is falling. That's why we were running, to inform more animals." "Ha ha ha! The sky is falling? Who told you that?" Then the rhino said, "It was the elephant who told me." "It was the horse who told me." Then the horse says, No, it was the cow who told me." "It was the zebra who told me." Then the zebra says, No, it wasn't me. It was the goat who told me that the sky was falling." So the leopard talks to the goat. The sky is falling, huh? Where did you get to know that? And how?" So the goat tells him that he was feeling tired, so he wanted to sleep. Therefore, so while he was sleeping, something hit him on his head. So the leopard says, "All right, let's go and see where you were sleeping." So all of the animals go to see where the goat was sleeping. So they're all walking and walking when they find where the goat was sleeping. And nearby, also when they reach the place, nearby, they all see something that was rolling nearby. And they realize that it was a ball. So the cheetah laughs and says, "Goat, you have been fooled. It was just this ball that hit your head, not the sky." So everyone understands and stops running. Then they all decide to play a game of ball and have some fun on the sunny day. So this tells us that we're not supposed to blindly believe whatever we see or read or hear, but we need to use our own intelligence to find out the truth. Thank you.
और अब note.
Excellent.
Arpita, yes, Arpita.
Oh, wonderful, Kanisha.
Thank you so much, Kanisha, for doing this on behalf of me.
और अब नो टेंशन टीममेट्स पेश करेंगे एक मजेदार नुक्कड़ नाटक.
आज के समय में पूरी मानव जाति इस स्ट्रेस नामक बीमारी से जूझ रही है।
कैसा स्ट्रेस?
अरे जैसे पापा को ऑफिस के काम का स्ट्रेस,
मम्मी को घर के काम का स्ट्रेस,
भैया को बोर्ड एग्जाम में फर्स्ट आने का स्ट्रेस,
दीदी को MBBS में टॉप करने का स्ट्रेस,
हमें ऑडियंस को खुश करने का स्ट्रेस।
ओह, अब मुझे समझ आया। लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। हाँ, इस स्ट्रेस को हम बता देंगे कि हम हाईलैंडर्स से जीतना कोई आसान बात नहीं है।
सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल बैठा जाए,
आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए।
स्ट्रेस बाय बाय।
सुन सुन सुन, अरे बेटा सुन,
स्ट्रेस की टीम में बड़े बड़े गुण,
लाख स्ट्रेस की है कोई दुआएं, आके आजमाए।
स्ट्रेस बाय बाय, स्ट्रेस बाय बाय।
आइए अब आपको स्ट्रेस को दूर करने के लिए कुछ और उपाय बताते हैं। आज मैं आपको एक महत्वपूर्ण लाइफ स्किल अप्रिसिएशन के बारे में बताऊंगी। अप्रिसिएशन मतलब किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के अच्छे गुणों की प्रशंसा करना तथा अपनी जिंदगी में उनके महत्व को समझना। जैसे कि माँ हर दिन हमारे लिए कितना कुछ करती है, तो हम उनकी अप्रिसिएशन कर सकते हैं, उनके बनाए खाने की तारीफ करके, उनकी मदद करके और एक कप चाय बना के जब वह थक जाती है। हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि दूसरों के सच्चे दिल से प्रशंसा करें। ऐसा करने से आप खुशी बांटते हो और आपको भी खुशी मिलती है। और अंत में हर दिन भगवान की सुंदरता जो हमारे चारों तरफ दिखती है उसको अप्रिशिएट करना ना भूलें।
और मैं आपको कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में बताऊंगी। जब हम स्ट्रेस रहते हैं हमें बिल्कुल भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहता है, और जब हम खुश रहते हैं तो कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप आ जाता है।
हमें हमेशा एंथुसियास्टिक रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हम एंथुसियास्टिक रहते हैं हमें एनर्जी होती है, और जब भी हम एंथुसियास्टिक नहीं होते हमें बहुत लेजी फील करते हैं और हमें कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता। इसीलिए हमें हमेशा एंथुसियास्टिक रहना चाहिए।
मैं आपको क्यूरियोसिटी के बारे में बताऊंगा। क्यूरियोसिटी वो चीज है जिससे आपका ज्ञान बढ़ता है, और कभी कभार आपको स्ट्रेस भी बढ़ सकता है। इसीलिए जब भी आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आपको उसको क्लियर कर जवाब देना चाहिए अपने टीचर से या फिर अपने माता पिता से। जब आपको आंसर मिलेगा तो क्वेश्चन का स्ट्रेस और आपका ज्ञान दोनों बढ़ जाएगा। क्वेश्चन का स्ट्रेस क्लियर हो जाएगा और आपका ज्ञान बढ़ जाएगा।
We have also composed a poem, so you remember that to every challenge there is a solution.
Stress is a button that can quickly switch on. Keep it away with a family bake-off. A simple cough can make your mother's stress switch on, but a hug and smile can wipe the frown off.
Work, study, money, breakups can cause your stress go up and up. Music, dance, run and play make your spirit bright and gay. Too much burden, don't fret and stress. Read some books and keep your mind at rest.
Let me tell you the things that stress can do. Ailments to headaches all happen when you are blue. The body is tired and eyes are sad. The back is slouching and your feet drag. You feel lost, you feel hopeless, you feel disappointed and worthless.
But hear me, my friend, for you are not alone. Come sit with me, come chat with me, come share your dreams with me and let the pain go. Soon you will feel strong. Soon you will be filled with energy all day long. So do not stress, just do your best. Thank you. All of us use cell phones and various emojis to express our emotions. So Let us see how well you know your emotions.
So you need to guess what is these emojis. The first one is this.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Anyone in the audience? Anyone?
Anyone can guess.
Hey, what is that?
Surprise. You have to.
Crying.
No.
No.
It's why me? Why me? Or all problems falling on me?
No.
No.
Oh.
Egoistic posture.
Stressed work.
Okay, I will give a hint. It's all related to stress. All the emojis are related to stress.
Stressed with work. Deadline not followed.
Confused.
No.
My God, what's that?
Okay, so the answer is stressed.
Stress.
I think someone had said that. But...
Yes. Someone.
Now you can guess this.
Yes.
Stress.
No.
Chinta. It's tense. Tension.
Thinking.
Tense is tension.
No. You're close. You're close.
Very
Thinking.
no.
Is it tension?
No.
You're
Overthinking. Worried.
No.
No.
Anxiety.
Curiosity.
Anxiety manipulating.
No.
Manipulating and anxiety.
No.
What is that?
Thinking.
Thinking of.
Worrying.
Oh,
Worry.
No.
Worrying.
Not worry.
Children, you can give
He is
the
sleeping.
Okay, so the answer is headache.
Overthinking.
oh my God.
This
Now you
one
can
is
guess.
easy.
Happy.
Very
happy.
easy.
Happy and joy.
Dancing.
No.
Dancing.
Yes, dancing.
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 The dancing also can be stress free.
This is very easy.
Angry.
Angry is dancing.
Parents are angry.
No.
Joyful. Happy.
Okay, let them
No, not happy, not laughing.
Tension free.
Joyful.
Tension free.
No, but not.
Laughing.
Laughing.
No, not laughing. No, not laughing. No.
Meditation.
Joy.
It's excited.
Now is this one.
Angry.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one by one, because I don't think they can even answer. Okay, so somebody said embarrassed.
Yes, that's a good answer. Yes,
Please show the answer. Please show the answer now. Yeah, please show the answer.
Okay,
Please
it's
show the answer. Oh, good.
Dreaming.
Laughing to tears.
Yeah, someone said
Laughing. Yes.
Last one.
Wondering, thinking. I mean, you wonder.
This is not a one word answer. This is a type of.
So anyone who answers, anyone's answer who's close to this will.
Hiding your sadness.
Turn code.
Yes, that's
Close
close.
but not
So
answer.
That's close.
Hiding
इतना
sadness.
क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? क्या गम है जो छुपा रहे हो?
Yes. So I was about to say this only. क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो?
okay, so
तुम इतना क्यों मुस्कुरा
the
रहे हो?
answer is sad inside, happy outside.
Ritu is correct.
Well done.
Well done.
मैंने तो पहले ही बता दिया.
Excellent.
Learning a new language is always challenging, but also a great way to de-stress. We present a short skit and poem now in French.
Bonjour. Hello.
Salut.
Hi.
Nalin, pourquoi est-ce le stress?
Nalin, why do you look stressed out?
Hey, who's exam important?
I failed an important exam.
Je pense que je dois avoir un poème pour te remonter le moral.
I have just the poem to cheer you up.
Écoute ça.
Let's hear it.
Le stress est un problème que tout le monde.
Stress is a problem that everyone has.
Nous sommes tous stressés.
Young or old, we all get stressed.
Mais nous pouvons lutter contre le stress.
But we can fight stress.
Laissez-nous chanter, danser, jouer ensemble.
Let us sing, dance, play together.
Et nous serons heureux et distressés.
And we all will be happy and de-stressed.
Merci.
Merci.
Thank you.
I hope you all learned something new today. Before we do our last activity, I just want everyone to realize that we need to handle stress responsibly. So stress is experienced by everyone, and so therefore it is important that we know how to handle our stress responsibly. So some steps you can follow are, you can accept that you are stressed. You can say, I accept that I'm stressed, or I accept that I'm depressed. Then you can try and find whatever is causing your stress, when you are stressed, what are the stress triggers. And in a stressful situation, you can try and take a deep breath, have a glass of water, and rethink before you speak or act. And the most important one, always have a smile on your face. So how many people here have a nice big smile on their faces? I think everyone here is smiling.
Smiling now. See?
That's great.
So sweet.
We just want that. Yes.
Okay. The best program we had in Imoha today.
Okay.
Cute and nice. Such a
And
sweet.
now let's
Already
dance.
content.
Darling.
And
Yes,
now
Kanisha.
let's dance. So everyone can sit down and dance or however you would like to.
Okay.
So I'll just play the song.
दुनिया में खुश रहना हो तो मानो मेरी बात आओ ट्वीट करे ट्वीट करे जिंदगी है यही ट्वीट करे जिंदगी है यही ना जुटी है जिंदगानी ओ मेरी जान ना जुटी है जिंदगानी ओ मेरी जान छम छमा छम छम छमा छम हाय ट्विस्ट करे गाना मौसम ट्विस्ट करे जिंदगी है यही ट्विस्ट करे गाना मौसम
Hello. Only.
So I hope all of you had a good time dancing.
Very good. Excellent.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Very good.
Very enjoyable time.
Excellent, excellent, beautiful.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, we enjoyed so much. It was excellent.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Excellent program. Excellent.
Kudos to you, kudos to you.
Oh, very
Amazing
nice.
program.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank
Come
you.
again.
Excellent, excellent.
Very good.
Thank you.
All of you are so sweet and amazing angels, like angels.
Excellent program.
Lovely, amazing, and beautiful.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Bless you all.
Beautiful.
Lovely,
Beautiful.
lovely.
A lot of
God bless you. God bless all of you. God bless you.
Next कब आओगे बच्चों कब आओगे next?
इसके घर पहुंच जाओ बच्चों सारे संक्रांति के घर पहुंच जाओ बड़ा अच्छा खाना खिलाएगी
देखो खाना
थाई फूड खिलाएगी
Thank you, boys. You made us.
Let us give them big clapping.
Right.
Very good.
All these children deserve a huge applause. Sunita ji, I was just trying to spotlight you.
All the love and blessings.
So, a huge round of applause to these beautiful children, and kudos to you kiddos. I think you've done a fantastic job. None of us can beat you. मतलब आप लोग इतने छोटे हो. You all are just 10, 11 years old, but today you just rocked it. You rocked the show. And you all did such a fantastic and flawless job. I cannot even, comment. Thank you. It was just, yes.
रितु जी अनुराग जी फेल हो गए इनके आगे हम
बिल्कुल. So I think, ladies and gentlemen,
so very blessed to see.
Ritu ji, can I say something? These children at this age are talking about stress, is so great. They know the meaning of stress and how to stress. Most important thing of these children are modern age children know out of 10 what is stress and how to de-stress. We as adults is absolutely failures so far as de-stressing and stressing goes.
We don't keep seeing us doing
I agree, Shashi ji. I totally agree. But I think while the kids were talking about, ladies and gentlemen, please do mute yourself so that I can complete my statement. Request you all to please mute. So I think that, in talking about stress, they de-stressed us completely today. I don't think I have seen, all of you smiling like this, the expression on the faces of the elderly, every one of you, I think सबको इन 4 बच्चों में अपने grandchildren नजर आ रहे थे. या अगर हम mothers हैं तो हमें अपने छोटे-छोटे बच्चे, जब हमारे बच्चे छोटे थे, वो याद आ रहा था. And you all performed so beautifully. I really don't have words. And the smiles that you brought on everyone's faces today is so amazing. So amazing that मतलब कि चाहे वो डांस था, चाहे वो आपका स्किट था, the way you all were talking about things so maturely, जबकि आप लोग इतने छोटे, and lot of kudos to you, Sunita ji, for bringing them up to this level for such tiny little tots that they are. And when we look back, to our ages when we were 10 years old, I don't think we were anywhere near these kids. हमें ना कोई समझ थी, ना हम इतना articulately बोल सकते थे, इतना अच्छा presentation, and the way they were doing it in sync. एक ने बंद करा, किसको screen share करनी है, किसको बोलना है, किसको mute करना है, कौन सा कैमरा किस angle पे डालना है, किस absolutely किस एंगल पे डालना है, कौन सी चीज शोकेस करनी है, कब चुप रहना, and बीच में when somebody said she's unwell, very quickly taking over all that was just amazing. I think we just have to give a standing ovation to all of you here for such amazing work. So I don't see Yashvardhan here.
Nalin is not here.
Okay, Nalin. Sorry. Where has Nalin gone?
kindly spotlight him if it's possible.
Rituji,
Nalin, can you just speak
kudos
up?
to
Just
Sunita ji
one.
for masterminding it.
That is what I did. Compliment her on that. Nalin, can you
Kudos
speak up,
to
beta?
Sunita ji.
Thank you.
Nalin? One second. Can I just get Nalin also on screen?
Sunita ji, you brought such a amazing happiness today to
Sunita ji.
us.
You charged us.
Yeah.
These little angels, oh my God.
I'm definitely going to get my basketball back. I think that's a big stress buster. This little child has taken me back to my childhood, and I am going to get my basketball back once again. And I am going to bounce it and get relief of my stress. Thank you so much.
I must have
Singing,
Nalin,
all
can
the
you
dancing.
speak up?
Everything is coming back now. Singing, dancing, playing.
A perfect lesson of synchronization.
Yeah, right.
You're getting
beautiful.
Okay, now I've got Nalin also. Yes. Sorry, Nalin. I don't know how you went out of spotlight. You were there all the time.
I had a power cut.
All right.
Yeah, the cutie pie.
Ritu is Kanisha Swamijit's daughter. And Ritu?
Kanisha, would you like to answer that?
Yes.
देखो की शक्ल नहीं पता लग रही पापा जैसी. So sweet.
But notwithstanding that, I think kudos to Scottish High for these wonderful children, and I think each and every one of you just rocks it today. Whether it was Nalin and Advaita, hats off to you that you're due for surgery in the coming 3-4 days, and yet you are here and doing everything and practicing for it. Mother, really a big salute to you. And Kanisha, Yashvardhan, Nalin, Advaita, amazing work that you all have done. And
Ritu,
so much
and
of
thank you to you that you brought such a good program today. Thanks to you also.
Best of luck, Advaita, for your surgery. Best of luck.
All the best. All the best.
So, Sunita ji, would you like to say something?
Definitely.
Yes, definitely. So, ladies and gentlemen, can I just request you to mute so Sunita ji can say something?
Thank you so much, Ritu, and all the esteemed guests here. And you've really moved me a lot by whatever you have said. And I will not miss an opportunity to get back to you with any such programs. In fact, Scottish High will look forward to being here again. And one thing I saw, someone was putting out 4 chocolates for these little young children. I was actually moved. Yes, Savita is laughing. I think so. She's the one. And yes, we can do it virtually. That's it. But your feelings are much more than we can ask for. And your blessings to these children and our school is what we ask for. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rituji. Thank you, Swamiji ji, because Mr. Roy only, I think so, he showed us here we can present it here itself, and you don't know how much these 4 young children have been encouraged. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sunita ji. And
Thanks
now
to
that the cat
Mr. Arun
now
Roy.
that the
Thank
cat is out of the bag, I was not supposed to be disclosing this part of it. I had been told to just zip up my lips on this, but since now the cat is out of the bag, so I'll just tell you that I would not have known of this wonderful talent of these children, of what they are doing, and this presentation. In fact, Savita ji, I'll just come back to you.
Okay.
So in fact, they had, spoken to me about it a month or so back, 1.5 months back. And while we were trying to discuss that and all, somehow there was a little bit of lapse in the commission, and then the exams had started. So by the time I spoke to Sunita ji, Swamiji's wife had also told me, Ritu, abhi nahi ho sakta hai. But I said, "ठीक है, अभी नहीं हो सकता, but this is something that we would love to do, even if it's after 1 month. It would be wonderful, and I'm so glad, though it has been delayed, but we managed to get here. Ladies and gentlemen, please do look at your mics. There is so much of noise. It's very, very difficult for anyone to hear. Please do mute yourselves.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much once again, Sunati. Thank you to Scottish High and to Seema Bhati ji. I think she's left the meeting. I know she's busy. She had already mentioned it to me, Ritu. I will not be able to stay. But I would like to thank her also for gracing this platform and coming here to speak to all of us here. And thank you so much once again. A big salute to all of you here. The amazing, amazing, amazing work. And we look forward to many, many more such things. Right?
And I promise when we virtually meet, I will come with a full basket of chocolates for you. I promise it. Okay? But
yes, come on, very quickly, you must ask for things from all these grannies that you hear, grannies and grandpas and all. They are going to be ready to give you anything.
My promise is still there, always. Whenever I will meet, I'll come.
We are very happy to see Mr. Roy also
of chocolates.
Second time in our session.
Sorry?
We are happy to see Mr. Arun Rai also in this session.
Yes, Mr. Roy. Yes, of course. Mr. Roy is also here, but as usual, he's kept himself in the background, and not spoken much. So Mr. Roy, and there are other parents also who are here. I'm sure Yashwardhan's parents, Advita's parents, and Nalin's parents are also here.
Yes.
So thank you so much to all the parents and the grandparents who are here today with all of us. Kudos to all of you, and for this wonderful, wonderful performance.
Lucky parents who have such talented children. Lucky parents. All the best to all of you, and all blessings and love from us all.
The children are all talented, but they have been guided so well. That shows the school's performance. School's energy and performance.
Yes.
Really good.
Very nice. God bless them.
So that's it. Yes.
So that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us here today for this wonderful, wonderful session with the No Tension Teammates. I love that name, by the way.
मैं अभी जस्ट हॉस्पिटल से आई, मेरा चेकअप करा के ऐसे डल पड़ी हुई थी. बच्चों के प्रोग्राम से पूरा उठ के बैठ जाना पड़ा, नाचने लग गए सब.
So sweet. How wonderful, Savita ji. How wonderful is that?
So we achieved what we wanted to. Good. Thank you so much.
सब बच्चों को बहुत
So blessings to all of you from all your, all people here are like your grandparents. So lots of blessings from their end as well as from me. To all of you, God bless you all with lots of success. May you achieve everything in life, and wishing you lots of happiness always and lots of love from all of us here. So thank you so much, everyone, once again for being here. And thank you to Scottish High, Sunita ji, and all the children for this wonderful, wonderful presentation. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Bye.
And we hope to have you again here very soon.
Definitely.
Thank you. Bye, Sunita ji. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much, Sunita ji.
Thank you and bye, everyone.
Ma'am.
Bye, everyone. So sweet.